Hypothetically, what would happen if a black hole collided with a white hole? So hello guys and welcome to a new episode of Videopedia. This is your host Tilak. We know that black holes are things which attracts things. They attract ordinary matter and even light. Anything that gets beyond to the event horizon is completely trapped inside the black hole. And do you know where does it go? One theory is which seems most possible is that all the matter that goes inside the black hole gets transported on the other side of the universe via white hole. I normally don't tend to use trampoline's concept to demonstrate gravity, but in this case, this really gives the most accurate picture of how black and white holes are coupled together. Well, we have recently seen the image of black holes in our opposite universe through Event Horizon telescope. This topic is interesting too. We will definitely try to make a separate video on this and I will try to explain this topic in brief. White holes are really mirror versions of black holes. They repel things unlike black holes attract. They have no event horizon. And general relativity predicts that they should have negative mass. Well, this is just a prediction. No one has ever observed white holes. Although, on the other hand, our universe is really big. There could be a possibility that they do exist and we haven't yet found them. Nevertheless, if we throw away the white holes, we wouldn't have any explanation what would happen when you go inside a black hole. So this is still a controversial idea. Now, when black holes and white holes are coupled together in this way, we say that it is a wormhole. A wormhole is just a way to transport yourself into the other side of the universe. If you go into a black hole, you will come out from a white hole at distinct galaxies. However, there is a problem. General relativity tells us that it isn't possible to transport ordinary matter through wormhole. Let me explain you if you don't hate mathematics. V equals 1 r apostrophe s slash r sqrt r apostrophe s slash r. This is the speed of ordinary matter while falling towards black hole. If you change the sign of r's Schwarzschild radius, then you are talking about white holes. In other words, white holes are simply black holes with negative mass. V equals 1 plus r apostrophe s slash r sqrt r apostrophe s slash r. Note that this white hole doesn't have any event horizon. Now, the problem here is that what's the square root of the negative number? See the second factor. We got a problem. This simply means that we can't transport ordinary matter through the wormhole. The second factor on the right-hand side spoils everything. This is the velocity of light through black and white holes. V light equals 1 r apostrophe s slash r. For black hole, V light equals 1 plus r apostrophe s slash r. For white hole, note there is no problem regarding square root with light. One theory could be that all the matter that goes in black hole at first gets converted into the thin thread of photons E equals Mach 2 and then it gets transported to white hole via wormhole. Now, since we know how black holes and white holes really behave, according to their definitions, we can answer the question what happens if they collide. The answer is that they will never collide. Remember, white holes repel ordinary matter, positive mass. And no matter how big a black hole is, no matter how weird they are just a chunk of positive mass concentrated in a tiny region. In fact, black holes are the simplest form of matter you could ever imagine. They only have three properties: mass, charge and spin. So, if you try to collide both of them, it would be like colliding two protons together. You know that protons repel each other. Closer they get, more they will repel. Same is true with white and black holes. If they get closer, they will strongly repel. So the answer is simply that the white holes are repulsive to positive mass. They will never be able to collide with each other. If they could collide, then there is a bunch of positive mass and a bunch negative mass. What would happen then? E equals Mach 2. What does it mean to have imaginary velocity? However, we can transport light through the wormhole. So for now, this is Tilak signing off in this video. Thanks for watching. Keep learning.